Alright, so any long-term fans of my channel would probably remember this fan. This was the very first fan that I videoed and uploaded to my YouTube channel. This is a Hampton Bay redington. I don't know, it's either like a 2 or a 3. Probably a 3. But it's remote controlled and it's installed here at my mother's parents' house. So the old video of this fan is extremely grainy. I recorded it on a very, very old camera, older than even me. So, yeah, I'm just gonna get right to the demonstration because my phone battery's about to die. Here's the light. You can dim it. I really like the light shades on this fan. Here's low. So low speed is really aesthetic. It doesn't move any air at all. Like I am not feeling anything. Medium speed is a bit faster. That's when I'm starting to feel a little bit of air. And high speed is more like a medium on any decent fan today. Yeah, it doesn't go that fast. Reverse it. And then stop it. Then a 0 to high. And we'll turn it off. And that'll be it. Hope you enjoyed.